All right, what's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to FxProNow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is EURUSD. When it comes to EURUSD, we hit take profit. Yay! Hopefully, you guys caught this as well. This is literally exactly how we caught this, and I'm hearing a whole bunch of different messages mentioning that they caught this as well. This is not where our TP was. That was where the first one was, and we already caught that. So this is how it worked. We caught point A to point B to point C to point D. So the move was from this area over here to 114. If I'm not mistaken, I think I got 150 pips or something like that, 140 pips. Hopefully you guys caught that as well. Um, some people they rate things when it comes to time. Oh, how long should I be in a trade or whatever it is. I don't I don't see Forex when it comes to time. I don't look at Forex in a time fashion. Sometimes this is what I was telling some people in our course. Sometimes what happens is the reason why um, some people think, oh, how long should I be in a trade is mostly because it comes from having the job mindset. Not saying it's a bad thing. I'm just saying comparing it. Where what happens is when we are in a job, what happens is, and not just a job, but just any type of career. What happens is you make money by working specific hours. So you work specific amount of hours and you get paid for it. You work a specific amount of hours and you get paid for it. And what we do is we take that mentality and bring it to the charts, but that's not how this works. It's just not. Um, when it comes to Forex, it has nothing to do with time, right? Because you've been in the trade for an hour, a day, 4 days, a week, 2 weeks, that doesn't matter, okay? So I want you to eliminate time and Forex. That's not really something that correlates with at least our style of trading. What we focus on mostly is where we'll focus on going from swinging the market and going from one area to another area and catching a certain amount of pips in between. So there's times where you'll probably be in a negative for an hour, 2 hours, even a day, 2 days, but it doesn't mean that you're in the wrong trade. And I see a lot of people, they'll be like, oh, I've been in the negative for so long, I must be doing something wrong. No. Just as long as price does not do a certain thing, and when you get started with the course and you understand about broken structure and stuff like that, that's that certain thing. As long as price does not break structure in the opposite direction of what you believe the market should move in, then you should be fine. Hopefully I helped out a whole bunch of you guys just now. So don't correlate time and Forex together, at least with our style of trading, okay? So the way that we caught this was point A to point B to point C, and this is all based upon the Fibonacci retracement tool. If you don't understand the Fibonacci retracement tool, I promise you, like, you can learn it. It's just you have to be taught by somebody that really knows how to use it and also how to break it down. So hopefully you can be able to find that person. So point A, point B, point C, and we called the fact that price would get to this area right here, negative 27%, and it did, as you can see. Right, you can be able to look back at our videos to be able to see step by step how I called it when price was all the way down in this area, when price was all the way here. And I said, hey, listen, price is going to pull back into this green box. It did. Price is going to push up to negative 27%. It did. All right, so hopefully you caught that. In our chat, we have 1, 2, 3 people that caught this. I'm pretty sure there's other people that just didn't respond, but we had 3 people that actually responded and also got into this, and they're all 3 in the course, in our course. So that's really exciting. All right, so okay, what's next, right? So essentially, price is probably going to start pulling back now, right? I'm not going to go ahead and show you, oh, price is probably going to pull back to this area and stuff like that. I guess I can. Might as well. Let's take out all this extra stuff. Oh, you caught that as well. Oh, 3 extra people. Well done, guys. Well done. I'm happy to hear that. So point A, point B, we're going to assume is this is going to stop right now. So point A, point B. I wouldn't be surprised price is going to go ahead and retest our monthly key level. So price, if this is supposed to be a continuation of the uptrend, and mind you, remember what I said, I was going to keep one of my trades open, right? So I have one, I closed out on one at 114 because it hit my take profit, and the other one I'm holding because I'm assuming that it will continue its way to the upside. And here's the thing, price is going to go to 38.2, right? But if it passed 38.2, I close. If it stays at 38.2, I stay, and then from there I'm looking for the continuation to the upside from there. Here's the thing, I wouldn't be surprised price will pull down. Hopefully this continues an uptrend because then we can be able to continue our buys. But if not, I'll close out the buy that I currently have right now, 38.2 if it continues. But I'm assuming that it should probably hold support at 50% and continue. But the only reason why I'm saying it may not is because when it comes to I'm just going to show you the weekly, keep it simple. When it comes to the weekly time frame, look at this downtrend. Here's the thing, this could be a pullback. I know you see these arrows and stuff like that, don't worry about these. This could be a pullback, and this pullback could be able to probably come into 116. All right, and the pullback is from point A to point B to point C. Okay, so let's go and take this stuff off. So with that being the case, guys, that's what I got. Hopefully you caught that. Here's the thing, guys, when it comes to this week in the markets, soon is going to be something exclusively for people that are part of our You Are the Indicator course. So I just want to make sure that I mention that to everybody that's on here. I have to make sure that I dedicate all my time to the people that are actually in our course. So that's one. Number two, if you like anything that we have going on when it comes to our This Week in the Market sessions, we actually have a free 1-hour Forex training that you can be able to get access to, so you can be able to see 5 secrets to how I trade and 5 secrets to become a professional Forex now. And from there, we share a little bit about my background, of where I came from, and you know, what I'm really looking to do with the students that come started with us. And you'll be able to see everything in the webinar. So go to FxProNow.com, FxProNow.com, and I promise you it won't be a waste of your time. All right, if you have any questions, scroll all the way to the bottom of the FxProNow.com, and you can be able to contact me directly. All right, greatly appreciate your time, guys. Peace.